This section will cover the setup and operation of the Yukon 2 in automatic mode. Automatic mode allows the operator to make multiple step or plunge cuts with full automation. The procedures are the same as in single cut mode, except now the saw will automatically move along the Y-axis to perform multiple cuts. In automatic mode, the machine can be given control of all three axes as well as the X-axis speed. It is possible to make multiple cuts of varying sizes using a single setup. Let's begin with plunge cutting with flyback. On the auto screen, toggle the cut mode key to plunge with flyback. Position the material on the table using the laser or a reference cut in the table. Check the X and Z axis soft limits. Make sure the amp control parameters have been properly set and that amp control has been turned on. Check the blade kerf measurement. This is essential as the machine factors this value into every Y-axis move. Return to the auto screen and press the cut data key to enter the cut data input screen. This is where you enter up to 10 different cut widths and the quantity for each width. Enter the width data first by pressing the cut width keys and inputting the appropriate width. Then enter the quantity for each width by pressing the quantity keys. Note, entering a value of 1 will cause the blade to make 2 cuts, one to clean up the stone's rough edge, and the other to create the desired part. This number represents the number of cut parts, not the number of passes of the saw. When you've entered all the cuts you want the machine to make, press Auto to return to the automatic screen. Position the arbor at the X- and Z+ soft limits. Align the desired first cut location using the laser indicator. The first cut is generally a cleanup cut, and all other cuts are measured from this location. Press the Cycle Start key to begin the cutting cycle. After the cycle is complete, the machine will shut down and be ready for the next operation. Step cutting, and plunge bidirectional cutting can also be performed in automatic mode.